You place your order. Step 4. We deliver for free. At Joseph's Hub, we have a proven track record of quality service. So don't wait. Contact us today. For all your school supplies such as office, field, janitorial and online shopping and shipping needs. At Joseph's Hub we make it easy for you in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Send us your request or list. Step 2. We provide a quote. Step 3. You place your order. Step 4. We deliver for free. At Joseph's Hub, we have a proven track record of quality service. So don't wait. Contact us today. For all your school supplies such as office, field, janitorial and online shopping and shipping needs. At Joseph's Hub we make it easy for you in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Send us your request or list. Step 2. We provide a quote. Step 3. You place your order. Step 4. We deliver for free. At Joseph's Hub, we have a proven track record of quality service. So don't wait. Contact us today. For all your school supplies such as office, field, janitorial and online shopping and shipping needs. At Joseph's Hub we make it easy for you in 4 easy steps. Step 1. Send us your request or list. Step 2. We provide a quote. Step 3. You place your order. Step 4. We deliver for free. At Joseph's Hub, we have a proven track record of quality service. So don't wait. Contact us today. For all your school supplies such.
Alright, let me get about another 4 persons on the live. Alright, and we're gonna start the session. Alright, so just send out the message. It's 9:24. I know some of you should be born in the midnight. Well, it's not quite the midnight as yet, right? So just let your friends let them come in. Understand? The company live. Alright? So let them join the live. And while you're there, ensure you have some resources. You should have a good resource. You should have your calculators. You should have your writing pad or exercise book. I'm thinking if I should use the CSEC textbook, but maybe I might not. I just want to get over some concepts. Alright, so I'm going to use the time to do so. So please invite your friends. Alright, any questions and stuff, just drop it in the chat so I could see. I could respond as need be. Alright, so come on, let me get a couple more persons in the chat, man. Let me get a couple more persons in the chat. And ready? Set. Go. Alright, good evening, students, once again. Last evening was actually my first live. Let me give a quick backstory quickly. In 2014, I started this online teaching. Alright, at that time I had 1 student, paying. And we were using some tools, different tools to teach whiteboard and so on. I had a whole website set up. It was like I was at the cutting edge at the infancy or the starting stage of e-learning. Right? That was like a new concept in computer science, and I was just there trying to burn the trail. But then I came home in 2014, and the internet was so terrible that it was frustrating. It still is to an extent, but it's better now. And I had to bring to an end, that session, and there, seemingly died the dream of online. And then everybody else came after. If you go check the history of most persons who do online tutoring, you understand? They're most of them is after 2014. You go check the history, you'll see. Alright, and stuff. But I just want to show you how long I had this passion to do this and to be at the front burner of this whole thing. But right now, I'm now feel like I'm joining the race. However, it's never too late. Don't give up on your dreams, don't give up on your ambition. and it took me a while to get here. However, it's all about maths tonight, so let's don't waste any more time. Let's get straight into the night session. So we're looking at the topic vectors and matrices, more specifically matrices tonight. Last class we looked on how to do addition and subtraction of matrix. We look how to identify or describe the order of a matrix, which is based on its arrangement of rows and columns. And so we look at addition, subtraction, we look at how to do scalar multiplication of a matrix, and then we look how to multiply or do matrix multiplication when you multiply two matrices together. So that was one of the things that I saw it was cut out of the live, so the recording doesn't have it inside. So it is one of those things I need to reinforce tonight. And tonight we're going to look on how to find the inverse of a matrix. And if we have sufficient time, we look how to solve, right, simultaneous equations. Maybe we might leave that for maybe tomorrow night. Right, but we look how to solve simultaneous equations using the matrices method or the matrix method. So that's the direction we want to go. So let me go a quick revision. So this question that's up here is for multiplication, but I'm going to basically try to use it to do some addition just to prove a point, right? And to do some recap. So first of all right, the tablet up and running, and I think that's it. So let me select my pen. Let's go. So let's look at this here quickly. Oh, right to pen in my hands. I have two of these pens, so sometimes I mix them up. All right, let's go. So we have these two matrices here. Let me do some addition. So let's say the question might say you have these two matrices. What is A plus B? All right, that's the question. What's A plus B? Now, first of all, you must know that rows, we have one row, we have two rows, we have one column, we have two columns. So if they ask you a question, what's the order of the matrix? You basically say 2 by 2, not 2 multiply 2, 2 by 2. Oh, there's a problem? Okay, I noticed that the thing paused there, something happened there. What's going on? Some error. Stream user not receiving enough view to maintain. Oh boy, warning. Stream betrayed. The internet becoming poor now at this hour. Oh boy. So sad, man. What are you supposed to do now? Not even sure. I'm gonna quickly give my live a pause. So the live start again. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for the notification. Okay. Is it? I hope it is. Oh boy. I'm not sure how to monitor it because if everything buffering on my end, so I can't tell if the stream is going through. Oh boy. I know I'm getting some error messages and so on, right? But I don't know what's the impact of those messages. Let me know in the comments again if the live is still running. I'm seeing live, yes, time moving and so on, but I ain't seeing no video or anything being shown on my monitor to say, well, yes, the live back is up and running. And well, I guess my story was quite fitting. I don't know if you're hearing me still, but I guess my story is quite fitting about what the internet did to my dreams all those years ago. And like, it's still at a point whereby it's a little frustrating. But there is a currently a better network, and I'm gonna basically try that network going forward. Right, to get some money and renew my plan. Right, and so on. Alright, somebody tell me it's still running. I'm feeling nervous to continue. Okay, I see it's saying stream status good. And I want to continue, but I'm afraid to continue. You must be able to monitor and know what's going on. I don't want to know that I put in this effort and then I can't save the recording or the recording drop. And I think that's the thing I have to be careful of. While you might be seeing it, I'm afraid that it might not be recorded because I had an instance whereby I did some recordings tonight and then the final video had to be saved. You know, some parts of it was dropped also. So, it would be a risky thing to go forward without having proper internet. Yeah, I can see internet going on and off. Well, I mean, on and off, the bit rate is very, very low. So right now it's saying good. Boy, oh, this is not nice. Hear what? I know it's late. I know I made some promises. Right, but just like last evening, I think I have to get better internet service. So tomorrow I'll try to fix that because I don't want to do what I don't want to do because I want this information here to be for the students. If you're still hearing me, I want this information to be there for the students, and I would like to know that that I made the effort tonight and they are unable to access it. All right, so tell your friends, check out the channel. All right, give some feedback, drop some comments, tell me how I could improve. Right, and I will continue. I'll continue the same session here tomorrow evening. Yeah, I'll try to do that tomorrow evening. Right, or even if something. Yeah, I'll do it at home. So tomorrow evening I'll continue this topic. Right, and we go from there. Right, so thank you for that subscriber there. I want to thank you for your support, thank you for your feedback. And I will go have some rest because that was one of the issues that I wasn't having recently. Right, not sufficient rest and stuff. So because I had some other issues that were bothering me, so I'll go take a little early rest tonight and I'll continue this session tomorrow night. Right, so have a wonderful night, rest.